Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. So now we're moving into week 10. As usual, I am taping this on Sunday evening. Annotated bibliographies are dribbling in, so I will review those over the next 4 or 5 days. Check the grades and grading comments as you work through the week. Be sure to acknowledge, or if you have any questions about comments or grades or anything, to send me an email. So that being said, the annotated bibliography and the source material is going to allow us to move towards the research essay. Topic for this week's lecture video will be the research essay. I'll run through the instructions in Canvas, in the module in Canvas. The only activity we have for the week is a double entry journal, which is discussion board 11. You still have some Chapter 3 content for the double entry journal. Let me get over to that particular activity in the discussion board. Let's open up, here we go, the post. So, in working with your source material from the annotated bibliography, you're working with 2 sources, and you are coming up with 3 excerpts. Quotes, paraphrases, or summary will be on the left column of a document, and a corresponding commentary on the right column there. So, the double entry journal allows you to pluck out some specific information from your sources, whereas the annotated bibliography, if anything, promotes you a summary to summarize those sources. So the double entry journal gets you working with specific quotes or paraphrases, and you're thinking on that. This is like writing in the middle process, chapter 3, some note taking that Ballinger talks about. So that's the discussion board post for the week. I should have an example to post up. I'll do that in the lecture video about Wednesday or Thursday. All right, so that's the activity for the week. Module 11 is open. Take a look at some of the information. I should say Module 11. Week 10 module is open. First draft instructions are there. We're moving into chapter 4, which is all about drafting the research essay. We're going to spend a little time on that before we get into the first draft and moving on towards Thanksgiving. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.